Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Tradingview and signing in. Once logged, open a chart you want to practice on. Next, reveal the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This is where simulated orders live. Click the provider drop-down, choose Paper Trading by Tradingview, then hit Connect. Doing this attaches a virtual account to that chart, so you can place simulated orders exactly where you would in live trading. Make sure you see a confirmation that your paper account is active before placing. Once connected, you place orders from the order panel or directly on the chart by right-clicking. Choose Market or Limit depending on your intent. Configure quantity and instrument. Make sure you select position type and add stop loss or take profit to simulate risk management. Then open the order settings gear to set slippage, order confirmations, and whether to use pre-filled size. This level of control mirrors live conditions, so you learn execution nuances and how different order types behave under price movement. After placing trades, monitor them in the trading panel and the account tab. You can view P&L, filled orders, and trade history to review performance. If you need a clean slate, use the reset or fund options to adjust your virtual balance and start new strategies. If the paper trading connection fails, clear browser cache, disable ad blockers or extensions, and log out then back in. Make sure your browser is up to date. That troubleshooting step fixes most connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.